Here is my recap of the 2024 Rasputitsa gravel race in Vermont. My husband, our pups, and my race bud, Mike, left New Hampshire early Saturday morning, arriving in Vermont at Jay Peak Resort around 7:30. We got our bibs and joined the 9 a.m. wave, and we were off. The temperatures were chilly in the low 40s, though I was comfortable in my fleece-lined Pearl Izumi leggings, a tank top, my Pearl Izumi windbreaker, and my fleece-lined gloves. I also wore insulated Rock Bros shoe covers and carried 2 liters of water in a water bladder and 3 water bottles, 2 on my frame and 1 on my body. Also, a thin Lululemon long sleeve shirt and a dry pair of socks in my pack. If I did this again, I would not bring the 2-liter water bladder. There were 2 aid stations, one about 20 miles in and one maybe 40 miles in, that were both very well aided. The total course was slated to be 55 miles with about 5,000 feet in elevation gain, and I wound up clocking 55.69 miles and 55.22 feet in elevation gain. Though this race is touted to be intentionally challenging and messy, we only encountered 2 real muddy sections where we personally could not ride. The first mud section occurred around mile 5, and the next was in the last miles. How friendly. After the race, there was a warm hose to wash your bike off, but we opted to handle at home as the line was so long. But check out the mud. The good news is that the majority of our footage captured the first mud section because I made a rookie error in not clearing the SIM card before the race, and we ran out of storage for the second half. Once we got past this section, maybe a quarter of a mile, we were finally free to actually ride our bikes again and open her up. The race flowed through a golf course, then onto residential dirt roads, wrapping around into the mountains and farmlands of Jay. We wound up getting some warmer temps and sunshine mid-morning and into the early afternoon. Surprisingly, I was still comfortable in my clothing and did not make any changes to what I was wearing. Out of those that finished, I proudly came in third to last for the females and felt great the entire time. What a race.